Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's preps. I guess could say what I prepped today, but this is pretty much what I've done for the week, I guess. I guess nowhere to start except to start. Let's start right here. I get sinus issues and allergy issues. So this pseudoephedrine hydrochloride helps a lot, but I'm pretty sure it's countrywide. It's in Pennsylvania anyway. You can't buy it without showing your driver's license. And I'm not allowed to buy it all the time. When I went, I like to stock up on things and be prepared. But I can only buy one box at a time. And it's a 12-hour tablet. There's 20 in there. So I can buy one of these every 10 days. Go figure, because we got idiots who use it to do things they're not supposed to use it for. We suffer. So anyway, I think I pay $6 for that. And I sent a picture to my husband, and I told him when he's in the store without me or whatever, just to pick one up, because I would like to get a couple of boxes ahead of where I'm at. The last time I needed it, I was totally out of it, and that's not usually like me. Okay, next I got super moleskin padding. I have some moleskin in small adhesive pads, but I didn't have any of these, so I got a couple of those. And there are 3 in a pack, and I think I may put just 1 or maybe 2 in a plastic bag to put it in the first aid kits. I may end up having to just get more for the rest of the first aid kits. Another 2 things here that I like to keep on hand. Actually like to keep them in the vehicles as well, and I just keep this outside in the barn as well. Is this Chigger Bite Relief. It's benzocaine pain relieving ointment with aloe and chamomile, and of course it's the Walmart brand, and I think I pay $2.97 for that. And then the Campho-Phenique, which it's pain and itch relief antiseptic gel. We use that for bug bites. I think people used to use this for cold sores as well, not real sure. And then I also use this on poison ivy, and I kind of feel like it helps. So then, of course, I got some allergy relief tablets, because I've not tried these. I want to try this one, and that's why I only got 1, because I'm going to try it, see if it works. I got these. I got these actually from Emergency Essentials online, and they finally came in. I don't know why they took so long to come in. They weren't on back order. I think what they did is they sell them, and then they tell the company how many I want, and they sent them to me. So when I opened this, I was really surprised. I'm like, I got a 20 pack. The box didn't even say where they come from. But then I opened it up, and there were only 11 in there. And I'm like, what? And then I had to go in my emails, and where I had put my saved emails from the order confirmations, to find out where it came from. And so I did only order 11, but they were selling them singly. So this I do keep in stock, because it's something we use all the time, and I think right now we're 3 bottles ahead. But if you use one of those atomizers, vaporizers, or the essential oil atomizer, my husband really likes this. It helps him sleep. It's called Calming Sleep, and it's half an ounce, and I think we pay $6 for that at Walmart. And I found this at Walmart for $6 maybe. It's the Bleed Stop. It says it's non-stinging, sterile, hyperallergenic, safe in the wound. So there are 3 15-gram packs in one box for the $6, and I want to put one of these in my husband's vehicle, my vehicle, and when we target practice, we do that at pretty much one particular place, And we have a shooting bag there with a tourniquet and different things. So I'm going to put some of these in there as well. And if you have your preps or anything actually in your basement and you don't have a whole house dehumidifier, a lot of people use damp rid. And these you get from the dollar store. They're amazing. They are so much cheaper than damp rid. You can get them with charcoal or without charcoal, but they're only $1. So there's no refilling. You just, you know, open them up, put them where they are. And then I do recycle them. So that means I'm not just throwing it in the trash. I dump out the water and then I recycle the plastic container. We recycle anything that we can. So over here, I got 2 of these. The itch relief, it's the active ingredients in Benadryl, so I'm guessing that's probably diphenhydramine. Let me just check. Yep, of course it didn't say it on the label. You have to peel that back, and then it is diphenhydramine, which is what Benadryl is. So I don't think, when I take Benadryl by mouth, it makes me tired, but another reason to know your active ingredients, Benadryl is diphenhydramine, but if you look at the NyQuil Z, the one that is just to sleep, it's diphenhydramine as well. And then the sleep aid, diphenhydramine. So Benadryl will put you to sleep if the other sleep aids do. And I'm not real sure how this... I don't think it makes me tired when I put it on my skin. I've never had that reaction, but I don't know if that's possible or not. And then for these, we just got some of these just to put in the back stock, and I think those were $3.46. They were the Compare to Poise liners, and $3.46 at Walmart, and we got 2 of those. And then, of course, I get... deodorants. You know, who wants a stinky apocalypse? So I also don't use the deodorant with aluminum in them. So these are about $5 each. I think the Walmart brand, they just started offering theirs. At first it was the Compare to Toms of Maine, but now they're kind of knocking off all the different brands. So I'm really glad that they carry these. I've used this one before. I really like it. I have used Walmart's brand before. It was fine. First time I ever got the scented one, and then I've never tried the Dr. Teal's before. So these will probably go in my stocks, but this one is what I will use next. And then what else we have here? Okay, this is, I did not do a video on my last freeze-dried food. It was just another batch of dog food, which I don't label it dog food, which I guess I could, but after it was made, my husband saw me bagging it up and he asked what it was, and he said it smelled good, so I let him taste it, and he's like, I can't place it. What is that? I'm like, it's veggie mix, and he's like, okay, well, what's in there? I said, it's our dog food, silly. But this was a different mix. This one had zucchini, yams, apples, and garlic in it. And then this is 2 cups, and my dogs get half a cup a day mixed with their other supplements. And then their second feeding for the day is some raw meat, whether it's chicken with the bones or ground meat with bone meal added to their veggie mix. And then the last thing I got was, I was wanting to do some target practice in Hatton in a while, so I grabbed this out of my safe, and then I realized I only had a couple boxes left. So I went over to Walmart to get more, and they were out of this, so I got this brand, and I'm not sure how much this one cost, but this one with the mega pack of 250 in there was $68.44 a box. And if any of you know of a really good price, or excuse me, a really good place to get ammo, let me know, because I'm always looking for a better deal, especially because I do buy a lot. I just haven't really researched where to get it. It takes me hours to do my research because I like to be thorough, and honestly, that's just not something I want to spend a lot of time on because I have so much other stuff to do. So I would normally say, this is what I prepped today. What did you prep today? But hey, you know what? This is what I did this week. So let me know what you added to your preps this week, and definitely let me know if you have a good place to get ammo. So, okay, everybody. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and be blessed and stay safe.